what will be the references for these materials to be covered, right? So I will start with that thing, like what are the references, and then we'll move into the content of uh, week two. So, okay, these are basically the references. So this machine learning by Tom Mitchell. This is the very theoretical and very basic book. So this will help you understand the concepts. And then there will be hands-on machine learning. This book is more oriented towards, programming and doing hands-on practice of and using those algorithms that you have learned. And then these next three books, the Mathematics for Machine Learning by Desenroth and Faisal, and then Probabilistic Machine Learning and Bayesian Reasoning and Machine Learning. These three books are more mathematical. So those who want to study the maths behind the all these algorithms, you can go through them. They will require, they will start from, probability, statistics, and linear algebra, and all those mathematical concepts, and then go on uh, into the machine learning algorithms. Next to the last two books are deep learning books. Okay, so these all cover only the machine learning part. And the next two books will be the deep learning books, Deep Learning with Python by Goodfellow and Deep Learning by Cholet. So both are, theoretical as well as hands-on. So also provide you Python codes on how to work out the algorithms, uh, and also give you a theoretical understanding of the algorithms as well. Right.